And now we are here at one of our newest business partners, si Senday Motors po. And with us here is si Mr. Cyrus, ang ating sales manager ng Senday Motors. Hi, Sir Cyrus.
Yes, ma'am. Good afternoon.
Sir, what is this particular product?
Ito siya, ma'am, is surplus multi-cab from Japan. So, Senday Motors is directly imported surplus multi-cabs and bongos in Japan. So, ang ma-offer namin is galing siya sa Japan, remanufactured lang natin dito sa Cebu. In terms of surplus Japan, ma'am, it is a Class A surplus multi-cab from Japan. Ito po, ma'am, is tinatawag namin na Nero. Ito ang first namin na ginawa, tinatawag namin na limited edition 2024. This one is cost only 260,000.
Mga ka-RFC, mga ka-Senday, you can avail this in easy installment plan. Apply na kayo dito sa Ready Wealth Finance Company and you will be able to use it sa family and of course para po sa negosyo ninyo.
Sa ganitong unit, ma'am, meron tayong new product like this one, the food cart. Senday Motors can customize kung ano po yung needs or purpose ng inyong business. So ito siya po, ma'am, pwede rin kami gumagawa ng mga food carts. Sa
buong Pilipinas po ang coverage ni Senday Motors. Kahit dito sila i-assemble at gagawin itong food cart na ito, ipapaship po namin sa kung saan man kayong banda sa Pilipinas. Sir Cyrus, thank you so much. Thank you po mga ka-RFC and mga ka-Senday Motors.